Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Language Austics. So today I am coming up with the grammar lesson on certain types of German grammar. So let's see what we have, and soon I will be out with a vlog to Sikkim. So stay tuned for that, and let's start with the video. So, yes, today's topic is on adverb. So, first we have to learn what is an adverb. So, an adverb traditionally are described as words that modify words, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, he walked slowly down the long corridor. This modifies the word and he walked slowly down the very long corridor. It modifies the adjective and he walked very slowly down the corridor. This modifies adverb. So now we will learn the usage of the adverbs in German. Now we are going to learn about the formation of adverbs. In English, most adverbs are formed from adjectives by adding the suffix ly. For example, slow is slowly, careful is carefully. In German, almost all adverbs do have the same form as adjective. Die lang same. Schreck schreint langsam über den Rasen. This means the slow snail creeps slowly over the lawn. Like the predicate adjective, the snake is the langcham, the snake is slow. The adverb is merciful, uniflected for case and number. In German, a few common adjectives optionally add e. Here we mentioned lang e, fern e, jern e. With the expression of time, lange is more common. Thus, es ist lange her. This means it's been a long time. Von ferne is at a distance, and journey is gladly. Take a sentence that is kommen Sie mit, ja journey. This means would you like to come along? Yes, gladly. These are common with both forms. Adverbs uh, are also formed from the genitive singular nouns mostly related to time. Now we will take the examples. Noun and verb along with an example. So, morning with an adverb attached to it is in the morning or mornings. This, for example, morgen stehe ich früh auf, which means I get up early in the morning. Then is afternoon, that is nachmittag or nachmittag, that is in the afternoon or afternoons. This is nachmittags make mache ich journey eine Nikarchen. This means in the afternoon I like to take a nap. Then is evening or abend, in the afternoon. That is abends lese ich die Zeitung. This means in the evening I read the newspaper. The last is night, that is natch. Natch means at night, means natch skalf ich wien baby. That means at night I sleep like a baby. So that's all for today's lesson. There will be 5 more parts in the modified German grammar series. So please stay tuned for that, and very soon my vlog will be coming. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe to my channel. Means I have reached 300 subscribers, but now 2 of you unsubscribed. So please make it reach 500 subscribe. Bye.